Hey, hello boys and girls. So this is Mohit Agarwal here, and this video I'm making for my lovely CMA students. What's up? So CMA students, let me tell you, the new online, as you all know, online mock test papers have been released, and I've been seeing students lamenting, grumbling, criticizing that what kind of paper pattern is this? Now let me tell you, there are two types of people in this world. The first type of people, that come what may be the circumstances, if we have determined that we are going to get a rank, we have determined that we are going to pass, you can give me any circumstance, I will get a rank, I will pass. Just imagine that scene of Bahubali which you all praised the Bahubali for. When Bahubali and his brother went for a war, if you remember, he was given the most less effective weapons, but still he performed well than the others. So let me tell you, and moreover, those who are complaining about mock test, have you even seen it? Yes sir, we have seen it sir, we are panicking. Yes, that is the issue, that is the issue. You are just panicking, and your friend calls and tells, dude, we have to write, we have to slog, we will not be able to complete the paper. Hold your heart and tell me, have you even attempted to write the answers in 3 hours? How do you know that you are not going to complete the paper if you haven't attempted? Tell me one thing. Yes, I agree that last time, compared to last time, the paper pattern has been made more tricky, more challenging. I agree with that. But nobody told that paper pattern will always be the same and paper pattern will always remain as easy as it was in the last term. I agree with that. But did you attempt these 3 hours, any of the question paper, and you were not able to complete? Answer is no, don't lie, isn't it? Now, the second type of student, the first type of student I told you now, whatever the circumstance may be, he will perform, he will go and give his best. And the second type of student, whatever the circumstance be, okay, if it was online, he will complain. If it was offline, he will complain. If it was mix of both, he will complain. If there is no home based, he will complain. I am not saying that the students who are complaining are wrong. I fully empathize with them also. But what I want to convey, that this is it, right? So whatever resources we have been given, we have to perform with these limited resources and give our best. And I am there with you till my last breath. MEPL team is with you. Why are you worrying? We'll handhold you to the exams and make you succeed. Do not worry about it. And it's very easy. Don't worry. See, at least one thing is clear, that in these mock exams, boys and girls, the institute has made it clear that this is model question paper and model answer for online examinations that are going to take place, right? So there is no if and but that in future also the paper pattern will change for the upcoming term, right? So model 1 question paper and model answers for online examination. Before I go into this, let me assure you, this is a big announcement now, big announcement. From coming Monday, boys and girls, yes, इस Monday से यानी 9th August, इस Monday से यानी 9th August, every day 2 p.m, 9th August every day 2 p.m, one mock test paper will be solving live with you guys, live. So 9th August, that is Monday, 2 p.m. daily, will be solving live all the question papers of inter level and final level both, because foundation we have already taken several mock tests and foundation is 100% online, so don't worry about it. And for inter and final, this new mock test papers have been released, and because we have a complete team, MEPL provides complete solution for CMA inter and CMA final all subjects. So from Monday 9th you will be seeing that all our faculties including me myself will be going live with you on the channel of MEPL classes, okay, on the channel of MEPL classes, right, at 2 p.m. On the channel of MEPL classes, we'll be going daily live at 2 p.m. Not on Mohit Agarwal channel, on the channel of MEPL classes. So do subscribe the new channel of MEPL classes. Okay, that channel will be providing you exclusive live content for CMA fraternity. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it so that you do not miss out on any of the videos, and do press the bell icon because it's a gold dust for you guys. So from 9th August 2 p.m. daily we'll be coming live and solving the paper, and you know what, we'll be solving the paper exactly like a student would be solving an exam, which means we'll be typing and solving. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ solution दिया हुआ है ये हो गया. We'll be completely typing the solutions and solving it for you. You know what? I have already solved one of the papers and it took me approximately 2 hours. Now you will be saying, sir, you are a teacher. Obviously, yes, I agree that it will take lesser time for me to solve. But you are getting extra 1 hour, right? You are getting 3 hours to complete the paper. So with folded hand, I request you that instead of grumbling and complaining and criticizing about the things, okay, stay with us. Okay, stay with us from Monday 2 p.m. daily live, Monday 2 p.m. daily live, and once we complete the intermediate mock papers, we'll be going live 2 p.m. daily for the final level, all the papers. Okay, so in inter we are having 8 papers, so 9, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th, from 9th August to 16th August, intermediate 2 p.m. daily. 15th August although holiday, will be conducting the class. So 9th August to 16th August daily 2 p.m. inter, and 17th August to 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 17th August to 24th August, final 2 p.m. live. Okay, so we got it. So 9th August, intermediate mock test paper will start, and once we complete, in 8 days, we'll be starting with the final level, all 8 papers, okay? And we'll be solving just like a student would be solving an exam. Now, let us decode the online exams, okay? Now, let us decode the online exams. Financial accounting, see, financial accounting. In any paper, whether it be financial accounting, okay, whether it be law paper of intermediate, whether it be law paper of the final level, okay, what we are saying is that all the papers will be divided into 4 sections. Section A, Section B, and Section C and D. Now, Section A, Section B, let me tell you, comprises of 20 marks each. So, Section A is of 20 marks, Section B is of 20 marks, and these 40 marks are completely objective type questions. 40 marks completely objective type question, means MCQs, fill in the blanks, true, false, one word answer. So you don't have to write anything, you don't have to type anything, just one word you have to write. One word, not even one sentence, one word. Okay, so 20, 20, 40 marks. Now I'll be coming to the format and all, everything I'll be discussing. So 40 marks. Now what Institute has done, Institute has put a cap of 50 minutes, okay, which means that you will have to complete Section A and Section B within 50 minutes. Now by default, you would have completed these 40 marks within 30 to 40 minutes. Trust me. Within 40 minutes max, and 10 minutes revision time has been given. So 50 minutes is adequate. Do not grumble on these 50 minutes. 50 minutes by default anyways you will be completing. So once the paper starts, you will be given a timer of 50 minutes within which you have to cover the 40 marks. And in the sense, okay, positive persons will take it positively that okay, if we are completing this 40 marks in the 50 minutes, which means we are having full 2 hours, 10 minutes for remaining 60 marks. So that our paper won't be any missed out, any question won't be missed out. You don't have to type anything, okay, you will have to select. MCQs are there, so you just have to click the mouse button on a particular MCQ which is correct. Just have to click the mouse button on a particular MCQ which is correct, okay. So these 40 marks are MCQ based, fill in the blanks, true, false, okay, and one word answer, okay sir, we got it. See, this is part B, one word answer, did you see, one word answer. So we don't have any complaint about 40 marks. Now come to 60 marks, sir. Sir, how are we going to draw the format? Wait, chill. First of all, you need to understand I am here to help you, okay? So chill. So 20, 20, 40 marks is covered. Now coming to Section C. Section C is of 40 marks, which means Section D will be of 20 marks. So first of all, let us complete Section D 20 marks, okay? Then we'll be coming to Section C. Let us come to Section D, boys and girls. Let us come to Section D of 20 marks. And here we go. Section D, 20 marks. Was the video till last? Okay, was the video till last? Section D, 20 marks. Now, these are 10 questions of 2 marks. Okay, these are 10 questions of 2 marks. Now, what Institute has done is, 10 questions are there. Okay, 10 questions are there. Undoubtedly, there are 10 questions of 2 marks. But this marking of the Institute is wrong. Actually, the Institute has not uniformly divided 10 questions into 2 marks. It's a misprint given. Okay. See, question number 9. There is only one question, question number 9. Okay. Question number 9, it's only one question relating to insurance claim, loss of stock. And all the data has been, listen, all the format will be drawn. You do not have to draw the format. Students were saying, sir, that how will we be drawing the format? We don't know. We are not master in the Word format, or we don't know how to draw table. You don't have to draw any table. Trust me. That is why I am saying stick with me. Monday 2 p.m. I am going to solve this paper. You don't have to draw the format. The format will be pre-drawn. You just have to fill in. Look, this light blue words and figures. You just have to fill up this light blue words and figures. The format will be pre-drawn, boys and girls. Don't worry. The format is going to be pre-drawn. And sir, how are we going to solve 10 questions? There are no 10 questions. There are 2 questions. There are 2 questions of 10 marks. So actually, it was not a misprint. It was 2 questions of 10 marks, right? 2 questions of 10 marks. Not 10 questions of 2 marks. 2 questions of 10 marks. So 2 questions are there of 10 marks. And say for example, question number 9. It is subdivided into various parts. Now you tell me, in loss of stock chapter, to compute the GP rate, first you used to prepare last year trading account format is given. Then you used to prepare MTA format is given, you just have to fill up the details. Then you used to prepare statement of claim, the statement of claim format is given, you just have to prepare the details, fill up the figures. And then at last, you had to apply average cost to compute net claim, everything is given, you just need to compute the net claim, that's it. So, जितना आप सोच रहे हैं डिफिकल्टी लेवल उतना डिफिकल्टी लेवल नहीं रहेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, वंस वी सॉल्व, वंस वी प्रैक्टिस, आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल बी फीलिंग मच मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड आई एंड माय ऑल द फैकल्टीज आर देयर स्टैंडिंग विथ यू. We'll be spending 16 days with you guys, intermediate 8 days and final 8 days, to cover all the mock tests in the same manner as a student would type and solve. We are not just going to take and solve, we are going to type and solve for you. So part D, only 2 questions will be there, 10 marks, okay. Now come to part C. Part C, again, you will be given choice. Sir, where is the choice? Part C, there is a choice. Out of 6 questions, you have to solve only 4. So out of 6 questions, you need to solve only 4 of 10 marks. And again, the format, etc. will be drawn just like part D. Format, etc. everything will be drawn. You just have to fill up the figures. Just have to fill up the figures. And regarding this, trust me, marks won't be deducted if the alignment is not there. If the alignment is not there, marks won't be deducted. If it is not starting from far, if you cannot use space bar and give 5-6 spaces and write 2 from away from the margin, no worries, you write over here, not 2, no problem. And sir, how do we write debit? See, this is debit. They have not given that you do this dot and write debit, okay, just like you used to do. So practice with me, I'll be making you pro, do not worry. Same format has been given for law paper and all other papers. Same format has been given for final level as well, which means I again repeat the format. Part A, part B, 40 marks. Part A, part B, 40 marks. Compulsory, there is a timer of 50 minutes. You have to complete it within 50 minutes. And it is by default only, you would have completed anyways. If the timer was not there, you would have completed anyways within 40 to 45 minutes. So 50 minutes is sufficient. Now for the remaining part C and part D. Okay, part C, 6 questions will be there. You have to attempt only 4 and 10 marks each. And part D, 2 questions will be there of 10 marks each. So this is the format for all the inter and final, all papers. And to make you feel confident, remember the date and time. Remember the date and time, boys and girls. I am coming along with all the faculties live from Monday 2 p.m. daily on our new channel of MEPL classes. I am giving the link of the channel in the comment box. Subscribe the MEPL classes channel now and press the bell icon, because all the videos, live videos will be covered over there only, okay. And don't worry, I am there with you till my last breath, until I make you CMA. That's my words, okay. Take care. Lots of love. Take care. Don't panic. Bye-bye. And these are the challenges. Yes. And what did I say? If life throws challenges at you, if life is throwing challenges at you, you become Neeraj Chopra, who has just won a gold medal for India, and throw the challenges like he threw the javelin. Right? All the best. And win gold for yourself. Thank you. Make your parents proud. Make your teachers proud. Make the CMA fraternity proud. God bless you. Lots of love. Take care.